beautiful ether? Still under the 222 mulberry. I got the Komorebei in neon semi-moist watercolor set in, and I've been wanting to try these for a really long time, so I'm gonna go in, unbox them, and do a swatch and see how they hold up to the ones I fell in love with in the, darn it, to the desk. Here we go, and I already got a little swatch card ready to go. Let's do it. Let me get this open. Good job. This packaging is impervious to the scalpel. And I'm guessing it's gonna, oh yeah. Very excited. And what is this literature? Oh, ain't that sweet. Very excited. Some homemade, oh, of course. So what I've been using for watercolor water is actually pill bottles. They're completely leak proof. And as far as water, I got some beautiful sun water made with water from my childhood home. And what I like to do is add a little bit to the cap, because you see that writing in there? That makes for a great little scrubbing device for your brushes. I'm just gonna get right into it and test out these colors. Let me grab a brush, because of course I can never be too prepared, or else it just wouldn't be me. Wet up your boy. That sounded very weird. And I'm going to start with the red, of course. And these are semi-moist, much like the Yarka set that I also did an unboxing for. And since I'm not going to work on anything after this, I'm just putting a little bit of water just to see what the colors do. And I'm standing in a really weird position so I could get it mostly on camera, because I'm quite bad at that, honestly. And I'm not putting too much thought into it, I'm just giving it a go. Very delicious. I have really shaky hands, so the most on point. I don't know how I used to win so many coloring contests. I used to be able to never escape a line. Very nice. And I'm not getting it too wet, so I don't think this is as vivid as the color could be. And I know I'm not doing it right. I could feel it. Beautiful though. That's the reddish. Can get some more pigment in on there. And I will say also this was 10 bucks on eBay. And I've been eyeballing it for quite a long time, but I already had a few neon colors in the koi set, and it's gotten to the point that I pretty much only use, I don't only use neon, but it's definitely my favorite right now. Anything bright and juicy. I wish y'all could see the true color though. And see how I keep that one to be the dirty one, and then this one is the cleaner one. Pink. And this I'm just quickly going through this. Oh, I really love the pink. Like a lot. Why did I make these squares so big? A lot. I love the pink, I love the pink. Sorry I'm doing this so sloppily, but I really wanted to film the unboxing. And I'm sure there are other unboxings of this exact paint. I just wanted to add to it. And I do have a playlist of other unboxings, all watercolor sets. I think there's a leather paint set. Oh, and acrylic paint. So just unboxings in general for art supplies. Affordable art supplies. Because I'll spend months eyeballing something and just kind of fantasizing about it, going through reviews and checking back on it to see if the price has been lowered or if I could find it on eBay. I really love the pink. A little spotchy, but that's on me. I'm not sitting down, I'm like standing. Oops, that was the dirty, or darn it, oh well. Thank you again, Kathy, for these beautiful brushes. I am in heaven with these. It's such a difference, night and day. I'll grab the Yarka so y'all can see. This is my other semi-moist set. It's the Yarka by Richardson, Paul Richardson. I really, really love this set. There's something very nostalgic about it. They work beautifully. Woo, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, I love it. That's perfect. And after I do this orange, I'll grab the swatch from the Koi set. Absolutely beautiful. I really wish I could get more accurate colors, but look at how beautiful those three look together. And how beautiful this water is. Everything is beautiful, okay? And so the Koi set I have right here is just a travel half pan, I think. And it's, whoops, here it is. My battery was too low, but I plugged her in. There's 8 neons and 4 metallics, and as you can see, this is a well-loved set, and the pink and green are my favorites. And here's the swatch from these, and as you can see, this set is holding up quite nice against it. I am very, very, very happy because I feel like I have so much more now and that I don't have to be as frugal as I was being, because I never know what set I can find again, and if maybe one day I find it for a low price, I will buy another one. And so I'm going to continue this rainbow going here. Wow. The yellow is always the most impressive. It's just like a highlighter. Wow. Just like a highlighter. I can't get over it. And I'm not letting this water soak into the pigment very much, so this is not as opaque or not as juicy as it could be. That is just, I can't beat that. That's amazing. Buenos dias. Oh, hello, Peru. I better pause this in case any music starts. Alright, 2 colors left, so I'm just gonna blast through it. Loud house today. I see a little bit of that yellow creeping in, but it's okay. Oh, pretty, pretty lady. Ooh, yeah. God, I'm so sloppy at this right now. Can you tell I haven't had my morning coffee, even though it's like late afternoon? Trying to reset my sleep schedule and it's going horribly, so if anybody has any tips, please feel free to let me know, because it's getting to the point that I usually work through the night, like early morning. I'm at my most awake, like 3 or 4 in the morning, and most creative, but the world isn't awake, so I'm trying to get on a more normal sleep schedule, if you will, so I can stop feeling like I'm missing everything. So if you wonder why Subtropical Botanica responds to your messages in the middle of the night, it's not because I'm on the other side of the world. It's because mentally I am. Is that good? I mean, it's just bothering me, the splotches. I know, like, watercolor is supposed to be, like, very organic, but I don't know, the splotches drive me nuts. I'm gonna redo this water, and I only have one more color. It doesn't have, like, a purple one, but that is quite alright. Very excited to see this blue, because this blue is so dark looking. Like, very oceanic, deep sea looking. Ooh! That ooh was premature, but it was warranted. Oh, yeah. That's quite nice. Hurry. I'm in one of those, like, lack of creative moods today, so I really want to get my headphones back on and blast Pinback until my ears bleed. They're one of those bands that, God, I've been listening to them since I was in first grade, and I'm still so connected to their music that I don't think I'll ever stop listening to them. It's pretty darn near religious, I'd say. I'm a fangirl, if you will. I got to meet them once. I forgot the venue in Fort Lauderdale, but somebody told me that if I knocked on the back door, 9 times out of 10, whoever performed would answer, because that's like the little hangout area and how they get in and out. And sure as shite, knock on the door, and Pinback, the two of them, Zach and Rob, were just sitting there on a couch. And mind you, this is after I tried to dye my hair blonde. Well, had my hair dyed blonde for free as an experiment. And when it was fading, I dyed it purple. So I had this, or blue, and then it turned purple. So I had this faded hair, crazy hair, and in front of, like, my frickin' literal idols, excluding Jordan Maxwell, rest in peace. Beautiful. And the only thing I could get to come out of my mouth was, "Hey, you guys good? Do you need any water?" My face went bright red, and I walked out of the room. My friends didn't follow me in, so I couldn't get any pictures. They wouldn't let me in, because, my camera in, because it was a big DSLR. Anyway, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm really happy with this set, especially the red, pink, and orange, and yellow, of course. I am stoked beyond belief. Yeah. All right. But I guess the long story short, it was just it was memorable, I suppose. Anyway, thank y'all. Thank whoever came by, and if you see these, pick them up. $10, you can't go wrong. And it seems to have a lot of product in the case. Ooh, that yellow is nice and full. Huh, look at that. I really enjoy these. I would totally get these again when I run out, because I plan on going for this one and giving the koi a little bit of a break, because, oh, look at those craters. I'm just so close to starting to see it disappear. One drop goes a long way. This stuff really is a magnificent medium. All right. Say bye, Mr. I almost called him Mr. Potato Head. Alright, thank y'all so much. Enjoy your day.